When is the party?
On Tuesday.
When is the party?
On Tuesday.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who is better?
The gold one.
Who is better?
The gold one.
How is business?
Quite good.
How is business?
Quite good.